赶紧回去。
哇，这么美的东西都打翻完了。
哎呦我操！妈吓死了！哎呀！
这下好了。
China is reeling after a rare and violent tornado outbreak ripped across Hubei province, leaving a trail of destruction that stunned residents and rescue crews alike.
呀，咋了？
你看那碰的。
这咋的了？这是啊！疯了！
The deadly storms struck on the evening of July 6 as powerful supercell thunderstorms unleashed two tornadoes across the cities of Guangdong, Guangxi, Aizhou, and Jianing.
龍捲風啊！啊，龍捲風啊，蟲！龍捲風啊！
Winds estimated at nearly 240 kilometers per hour tore roofs from buildings, flipped heavy trucks, uprooted thousands of trees, and reduced homes and warehouses to piles of debris. Officials say at least 11 people lost their lives, more than 330 were injured, and one person was initially reported missing as emergency teams searched through the wreckage. Over 4,800 homes were damaged, with entire neighborhoods left devastated.
哇！珠海日月贝啊，龙溪水啊！
到了！哦，到喽！到喽！
One of the most unbelievable survival stories came from Huanggang, where a 30-year-old man was blown out of his 12th floor apartment along with furniture as the tornado ripped through the building. Miraculously, he survived after landing in bushes below and was rushed to intensive care. Videos shared online captured the terrifying moment the massive tornado crossed the city, sending metal sheets, vehicles, and debris flying through the air while frightened residents rushed for cover. Meteorologists say tornadoes of this strength are extremely rare in Hubei. Experts believe the storms were fueled by the remnants of Typhoon Maysak interacting with hot, humid summer air, creating the perfect conditions for violent rotating thunderstorms.
It's about 6 miles north of us, and it is going straight east, drifting to the north. So it is not getting closer to us, it's just going parallel to us. You can see we're around, Mom and I are out at the pond, videoing it. You can see the oil well in our backyard. It seems to be widening and lightening a little bit.
It's going up. Yep. Everybody's coming down here.
Thousands of rescue workers remain on the ground, clearing debris, restoring power, and helping displaced families as China braces for more severe weather in the coming days. For the people of Hubei, the terrifying roar of these tornadoes has become a reminder that even regions where tornadoes are uncommon are no longer beyond the reach of extreme weather.